Do you know that now you can cut down on your electricity bills and be a part of India's renewable energy growth story?
How can I do that?
This is possible through the recently announced PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
It represents a significant opportunity to save our electricity bills. Can you tell me more about it?
This is a solar revolution I'm referring to. Imagine 1 crore homes having their own solar rooftops, each generating their own power. This initiative was launched on 13 February 2024 with a budget of Rs 75,021 crore. It's not just about saving money on your bills, but also about generating 1 lakh crore units of clean electricity. Together, we'll reduce our carbon footprint by 72 crore tons of CO2 over the next 25 years.
Sounds amazing, but aren't solar rooftop systems expensive?
Here comes the best part. The government has got your back by offering financial support. Do you know you will receive 30,000 rupees per kilowatt for the installation of first 2 kilowatt and 33,000 per kilowatt if you are in a special category state. For an additional capacity of up to 3 kilowatt, you will receive 18,000 rupees per kilowatt and 19,800 rupees per kilowatt for special states. And if you're a resident of a housing society, you're eligible for a range of incentives for common facilities too.
You mentioned special category states. What are they?
If you're dwelling in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, the Northeast, or in Andaman and Nicobar, or Lakshadweep, you become a part of the special category states. And wait, there's more. Some states are also providing their own subsidies over and above the central government's financial assistance. Isn't this great?
But what if I'm still short on funds?
There is no need to worry, as the scheme also offers consumers to opt for low-interest loans at 7% of the installation of systems up to 3 kilowatt.
In case I don't have a roof space, then?
No roof? No problem. Got a south-facing balcony, window or wall? If yes, then you can opt for building integrated photovoltaics.
Is this really true? What should I do next?
It's quite simple. Just visit pmsuryaghar.gov.in and find out all information you need about PM Surya Ghar. Also, stay tuned for more informative videos. Remember, each solar rooftop system counts. You're not just saving money, you're saving the planet. So what are you waiting for? Let's turn those rooftops into powerhouses and show the world how India is leading the solar revolution.